HIDs. Should have done that a long time ago. It's time to have some fun. So I thought about doing this a long time ago, and there is no better time than now. You know, I need something to distract me. So I've been thinking about making a chicken call blow-off valve. Not sure how this is gonna work, but whatever, let's give it a shot. So for those who are new to the channel, this is my first car ever. I bought this car when I was 15 years old. I've had the car for a very long time. And it's a fully built non-turbo motor, but it's fully built, head, block, everything you can imagine is all done. And it's been running turbo for over 15 years. So yeah, this is one of my babies. As you guys can see, the blow valve is right here, and that blow valve sounds really good. It's one of those HKS SSQs, but let's make it a little bit more interesting. So I bought some of these chickens. Here's two, and here's a third one. So as you guys can tell, this one's had better days. The legs, it was in an accident, and had the legs cut off. For those who don't know, blow valves basically vent air. The HKS blow valve vents all the air through the front, so I figured if we could strap this thing on here like that and basically make it to where every time the blow valve goes off, it's gonna push out air through the chicken. So, you know, there's only one way to find out. Let's press it on here. I'm not sure how much venting it'll do when I rev it, but let's give it a shot. The chicken fell off. It's all taped up. Hopefully it doesn't fly off again. I couldn't hear the chicken inside. Now I did notice that the turbo started fluttering, and that's really because now the blow valve is being restricted. So let me see if I can drive it here and make it build boost, so that way you can hear a little bit louder.
Oh, bend over my toes. Oh, rookie.
That stage 3 eBay clutch.
Stage 3 eBay driver. If you do that again, I'm returning you to eBay.
No? Can't hear nothing? No chicken?
No chicken.
Alright, let me try it.
So you have to come in faster. The turbo is the flutter's too loud. You can't hear nothing.
Flutter, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna have the other 2 chickens. Alright.
You hear your kid crying on the background.
You hear the kid crying more than the chicken?
Yeah,
That didn't work, so let's add the other 2. Now the question is, how am I gonna make it to where all 3 of them are together? The kid's name from Toy Story, the bad one, was his name Sid? No, not Sid.
No,
that's what's his? No, that Sid is from Ice Age. I've been watching too many kids movies, huh? After googling, it is Sid. I am the Sid of the car world. Look. There we go. Oh my god. Alright, if this isn't loud enough, I don't know what is. Let's try this out.
You can't really hear it, but you hear it. first time in a really fast car, sir?
Alright, let's see if it works. No. Right down the front of the street.
You don't think they'll call the cops? We have a head.
Oh no, a chicken fell off. Damn it. Did it work? Oh man.
Why'd you leave me?
So that didn't go as planned. One of the chicken heads flew off. I don't think, if you couldn't hear it, then I don't think me gluing these together can make a difference.
No.
So after 3 chickens, I realized that the whole chicken blow-off valve is not going to work, at least not for this car. It's too loud. However, one thing we did learn is that you block off that blow-off valve and you get some really, really beautiful turbo flutter. Man, that sounded so good. I hope you guys enjoyed that, because I mean, I know I sure did. That was a lot of fun. I had never heard this car flutter like that. Not that I'm gonna put the chicken back, but I mean, it was still nice to hear it. I actually ended up ordering something else that is a lot louder than one of these chickens. So stay tuned for the next video. It should be a lot better than this one. I think what I ordered is going to overpower every single noise that the car does. So it should be a good one. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great weekend, great start of the week, and see you on the next one. Later.